Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to transform this piece from TV stand into a bar. I start with priming my piece. After priming my piece, I'm using Valspar furniture paint, starting with the color black, then we're going to add the blue. I'll be using two different brands for this piece. Valspar furniture paint and Behr Chalk finish, along with two different brushes, one for the black color and one for the blue. After adding my blue color, I'm gonna start blending the black with the blue by only using the black brush and try it with a dabbing technique to blend two colors together. Using the same technique, I start blending my colors randomly on the front of the piece because this style I'll be changing it by adding a little bit more blue. I definitely love the color combination. These two colors are amazing together, but this is not what I envisioned my piece. I just wanted the blue to pop more, so I'm gonna add a little bit more blue around the piece or the details. With the second coat, I'm gonna correct my colors a little bit. As I said before, I'm gonna add more blue around my piece, and here I didn't paint the whole piece. It was only the front. I just started with it. Anyway, I'm gonna add blue on the round and a little bit the Caribe color, if I'm pronouncing that right, in the middle. It's kind of, I think it's Caribbean, something like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna write all the tools that I've used on this project down in the description box. You can check it out so you can make sure you're getting the right colors. Here I'm going to show you very quick the style that I want for the whole piece. First, I'm going to put my first coat of the blue color, then I'm going to do my dabbing technique. First blue, then blend it with the Caribbean color. As you can see, I'm using only one brush for both colors. For the furniture paint, you definitely need to let it dry for at least 4 hours. Now we're going to have to replace the back part with a piece there is no holes in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it, then cut it using my jigsaw. Yes, it's not going to be perfect, but you know, when you sand it, it will be perfect. And after that, you can paint it. This one, what I love about this wood piece is you can paint it and stain it. You can get it from Lowe's. After cutting my piece, I'm going to paint it with one color, which I'm going to mention down in the description box. Then I'm going to add a stencil using Redesign with Prima Stencil. So the top part has a shelf for, they used to use it for TV boxes or whatever. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove the dividing pieces, lift the shelf a little bit higher so the customer can use it as a wine rack. After adding my shelf support, I gave the top 3 coats of furniture paint, only the blue color. So I wanted to add a little bit details to the top part and the back. I'm going to use my Redesign with Prima stencil with the Deco Art Gold Champagne that I always use. It will be mentioned in the description box. Check it out to give it a little bit different effect. Just making sure that this shelf not going anywhere. After finishing the shelf, now it's time for the back part. We just need to secure it. I can use the nail gun or just screw it down with the same screws that I took it from the old part. And now the inside is done. It's time to give this piece a little bit details on the doors, adding some stenciling. I used only the middle part because the whole stencil didn't fit the door. Since I want to transfer this piece into a bar, I found this wine rack in thrift store and it was perfect for the piece. I'm going to give it a quick paint, blue, dry brush on the edges and secure the piece down at the bottom of my top part so it won't move anywhere and it will be a perfect wine holder. Now it's time to add some dry brushing on the details, and since we have a lot of details on this piece, we're going to add black and gold. For the dry brush, I like to wipe my brush on a paper towel, then move my brush in circle motions or just wipe it left and right, whatever it takes to give that effect to my piece or the edges. Same stencil that I used on the doors, I'll be using it on the bottom part on the sides this time. I'm using the Deco Art Champagne color metallic paint to add to the details and the stencil too. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Thanks again.